Hi, my name is Ivan Kotowski. This is my final project. I just want to show you that it's in Unity, and all of the models that you see in here are either created by me or modified by me. And I'll just show you some scripts and overall what we have. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit in 5 minutes fully, but try it. We have the car camera script pretty much to have the distance, height, relation damping, height damping, zoom ratio, and so on. So when we're following the ROV, the camera will behave properly. The car control script to see how it will be controlled and how will the blades spin. Have display textures full screen is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. Display textures on full screen. There's just a little bit of code for that. Some of the code in C#, some of the code is in JavaScript. Is whatever I try to find the tutorials on, and then whatever I find it on, I know a little bit of both, so try to make it work with both of them. The script GUI pop-up is for the GUIs to pop up when you enter a trigger zone, and this makes it to display in a trigger zone. Hide cursor thing was a very cool script that's small and it's very efficient, and basically what it does when I run the game, instead of seeing the mouse and ROV following the cursor just hides. Main menu, it's a script for the main menu for it to go to the splash screen and to follow the hierarchies, because when in Unity creating the game I had to create 3 different screens. So I'll have the main menu, the splash screen will play afterwards, and then the actual game will run afterwards that. I have the mouse look, so this is how the ROV will follow, and then you need to put it on controller with the triggers afterwards, so this should work for triggers. Play controller splash of the game, this is just a script that will drive the splash screen to the game screen. Texture play, this is just to render, apply the texture to the renderer and make sure that it plays on the texture itself. And this is my new controls for the ROV, and I have some programming done underneath the water, because the water is only displayed from y-axis looking down but not looking up. So this is the code to make that look that way and to actually have us feeling that we are underwater. So let me just run the game real quick, so I'm gonna run out of time. Play. I already compiled it beforehand, and now we have the game. We can start it up. That's in my splash screen should show up soon.
Electricity. Our society depends on electricity for everything we do, at home, at school, at work, at play. Generating electricity from coal, oil, and natural gas is unsustainable in the long run because these fossil fuels will run out someday. Renewable energy sources are the solution, and in Southeast Florida, one of those sources is just offshore. Faculty and students at Florida Atlantic University are exploring ways to harness the power of the Gulf Stream, as much power as that in a gale force wind. In the ocean offshore, the FAU SeaTech campus, past one of the main shipping lanes, the FAU Southeast National Marine Renewable Energy Center is deploying a test facility that will allow sea trials for power-generating prototypes in the Gulf Stream. The equipment at the test site will also provide an important platform for critical observations of environmental interactions during testing.
And that video was also created by me for this. So now when we start moving, we see the first mission is to find 3 objects: turbine, ADCP, and mooring vessel. So then as we leave out to look for it, we see the turbine, the blades are spinning. I have a little bit when we enter it, it says that the turbine gives some information about it, what it does and what is happening, so on. Then we'll see the ADCP will be right here. And once we come up to it, it will have the GUI as well. And when we come up to the last one, you'll see the mission is complete, but I'm running out of 5 minutes time. So I'll just go until the video stops recording. Got the second one. Got the mooring vessel is right there.